Kita khot jong kaseng voice of the people jong ka snow maulai kila rai bah ka sngi ublay menda katayo kin Pynlong ka jing deng lamayong kum ka jing buram yo ba Cherish feel thank you ha kani ka sngi li on tap yo u kani ka seng kala karparu igi nong shong shnong jong ka maulai ba jong ka jala brok we ban pelip ekalaj ha ka por nyo baje janmit kum ka dak ban persha kani ka jinglet don bor ki pulet Kasengla dawaru ika jing hiar shuki jong menteri ki kampoy yang balak men rumbui bakla dawaru menteri rang ba ke jelau kon ke sangma ban Pynlong ka jing tokit halor kane.
From our side, as the voice of Maulai, tomorrow, which will be the funeral day of Cherish Feel Thank You, we have decided to have a Black Flag Day to protest against the illegal actions of the government under the police department, and also protesting placards will be carried out tomorrow. And we have also discussed and demand from the Chief Minister to conduct an independent inquiry regarding this matter, this case, so that justice will be served to the family of Cherish Feel Thank You. And also we demand immediate stepping down of the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Lakaman Rimbui. His inability, his underperformance has caused this catastrophic failure and has caused the life of one person who is not only a figure of the Maulai people but also a public figure for the youth and the state as a whole. So another discussion we had is regarding the police department, that they have disrespect the local authorities, which includes the local headman. They have approached the residents of Cherish Feel Thank You without without the consent and informing the local headman, and this has caused the life of Cherish Feel Thank You. Had the approach been in a very professional way, I think the life of Cherish Feel Thank You would have been safe. But then, because there has been some under the table talking and discussion to eliminate, because the government and the home police department, they want to eliminate Cherish Feel Thank You on the spot. That is why they have neglected and ignored the authorities of the local headman and the Dorbar Snow.
So kumen ba haka meeting kemudian ba hadong tak setiap ngidon ko ba nrutli kilama kiba kisang malam per kidon professional mulai kata nalo ka SSMP, HYC, KSU, FGP, MIPF, bat KAIM dengan hukuman baku mangilawang bangin kendria syarut ya karong lani kilama kiba per jongi mentahang ni ngidon lang krui hapo kawai kasur kata kasur jong perban mulai nak mata and demanding justice for the late Cherish Thank You. The hari ke sini ke pemerintah kumbang ilaya bani yuk bentalah hari ke press briefing. Naglen juga kenhun jongi ngilai shimi ke bentah ban bo ke appointment by Chief Minister hari ke appointment ke bang naglen jongi ngin saya kedua nak lasyam tiyo ngikuat ban pensungau syau pai ba kari bakasur jong kinong mulai kadawa ya ka independent inquiry ban ya kini ke independent inquiry ngikuat ba enthong ya ka jing thoket lani enkli ya ka jing thoket leng ba retired judges jong high court kum ka kenhun ngilai de ikran mendin bat mentarung ngasu banomen keren biang nilai i lengba kilap patai kubuar na kapuar sekapur haban don nong le kam sniu habadan nong subas sniu nak liang jong ketrak kulit ka kloy ban flash out ya ka kerteng ya ka dor gedar jong ton nong le kam sniu haki social media lande haki printing press dengan liang jong i kum ka kenhon kumba pitip kajing dono jangan mensiam berkoridor ba Cherish kam day badan kata ka encounter lane ka jing siat ka mar kaliang lane ka jing khun mar kaliang kadai hi ka jing peniap ka murder jong kita kinong shono ha ka uniform dinang le jongi ngi kwa ba katnat police lane ka sarkar kumba phila flash kumba phila that e ka dur jong ki bre ki badan kam ki badan bentahi kam siu pher lakalo ha ki babu ki bakno ID blast tingi rung yong ba subha seilang e ka dur ka jong ki tu ki breu ki nong shono ki bala ban siat ha ka por badan kan oi ba ka jing thia hayeng jing ma Cherish